दोस्तों नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका फिर से एक नए वीडियो में। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं हरियाणा पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन से पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट टीचर पीजीटी वैकेंसी के बारे में। 2024 डेट ऑफ पब्लिकेशन 23/7/2024। The commission invite online application from eligible candidate. Postgraduate teacher PGT in various subject, Haryana cadre and Mewat cadre, which the guidelines set up for submission of online application from by the candidate are under .gov in submit their online application. After registration, a login ID would be created and candidate will have to complete the registration process by the using login ID. Respective advancement as per their qualification. Daily field application form can be submitted only after payment. After making payment, the candidate have to take a printout their application form uploaded the same after daily checking. For more information, log on http://hpsc.gov. Haryana Public Service Commission. Name of the post. Postgraduate teacher PGT in the various subject from Haryana. Date of publication 23/7/2024. Opening date for submission of online application. Opening date 25/7/2024. Closing date submission of online application 14/8/2024. Important candidate ensure their eligibility for the post. How to apply? Candidate required apply online. Visit website. Detailed instruction. Filling up online application are available on the above mentioned website. Last date for receipt of application, issue of admit card. The application can be submitted up the closing date. Helpline number, email ID, helpline email ID. Name of the post of category of the post. Haryana Public Service Commission invite online application form recruitment post. Haryana cadre and Mewat cadre. Detail below. Name of post biology. Name of the post biology, chemistry, commerce, economics, English, fine art, geography, Hindi, history, home science, mathematics, music, political science, physiology, Sanskrit, sociology, Urdu, Punjabi. Total number of post general 3069. बात करें टोटल पोस्ट बायोलॉजी के लिए 233 बायोलॉजी, केमिस्ट्री 255 टोटल, कॉमर्स 264, इकोनॉमिक्स 232 3, इंग्लिश 174, फाइन आर्ट 12, मेवात फाइन आर्ट 4, ROH जोग्राफी 136 9, हिंदी 4 मेवात, हिस्ट्री 144 मेवात, हिस्ट्री 21, म्यूजिक टीचर 87, संस्कृत मेवात के लिए 69 38, पंजाबी 50 फिजिकल एजुकेशन 226 मेवात 23, फिजिक्स 410 36, पॉलिटिकल साइंस 283 59, होम साइंस 48, मैथमेटिक्स की बात करें तो 414 42, The initial qualification is as per service rule. Haryana State Education School Cadre Group B Service Rule. Mewat District School Education Group B Service Rule. Matric with Sanskrit. Instant qualification common to all advancement of post. Matrix with Hindi Sanskrit or 10+2 BA MA with Hindi as one of the subject. Certificate of having qualified Haryana teacher eligibility test HTET and school teacher eligibility state and constant good academic record. Digital qualification for various posts subject with advancement with PGT biology, MSc zoology botany, bioscience, biochemistry, genetics, microbiology, plant physiology, biotechnology, life science, molecular bio, with at least 50% marks, provided that the application had studied botany and zoology at graduation level and B.Ed from recognized university. PGT chemistry or biochemistry with 50% marks, B.Ed from recognized university. PGT commerce, MCom with accounting, cost counting, financial advisor, subject of study with at least 50% mark and B.Ed recognized university holder degree from MCom. Business economics shall not be eligible. PGT economics एम ए इकोनॉमिक्स, अप्लाइड इकोनॉमिक्स, बिजनेस इकोनॉमिक्स। पीजीटी इंग्लिश, एम ए इंग्लिश with 50% marks and B.Ed recognized university. Fine art, PGT fine art with 50% marks and MA fine arts with 50% marks and B.Ed from recognized university. PGT geography, MA geography with 50% marks and B.Ed recognized university. PGT Hindi, MA Hindi with 50% marks and B.Ed recognized university. PGT History, MA History with 50% mark and B.Ed. MA Home Science and 50% mark, B.Ed recognized university. PGT Mathematics, MA MSc Mathematics, MSc Mathematics, Applied Mathematics with Mathematics and one of the subject of graduation level with 50% and B.Ed from recognized university. Music teacher, MA Music with B.Ed. Physical education, फिजिकल एजुकेशन की बात करें तो फिजिकल एजुकेशन, MA फिजिकल एजुकेशन एंड MPEd with 50% mark, Bachelor of Physical Education, BPEd. Diploma in Physical Education, DPEd, or its equivalent from recognized university. Physics, nuclear physics, nuclear science, परमाणु science, electronics with 50% mark, B.Ed. Political science, MA political science or public administration with 50% mark, B.Ed. Physiology with MA physiology, 50% with B.Ed. MA Sanskrit, 50% mark, B.Ed. recognized university. Sociology, MA Sociology, PGT Urdu, MA Urdu 50% B.Ed. Punjabi, scheme pattern of examination, screening test, scheme pattern of examination, screening test, total number of MCQs base, sub question, subject with syllabus is enclosed, annexure, time duration of the examination 2 hours, total marks 100 marks, all question carry equal marks. The medium of examination will be under biology, chemistry, home science, mathematics and physics, bilingual English and Hindi language, commerce, economics, fine arts, geography, history, music, physical education, political science, physiology and sociology. The language subjects such as English, Hindi, Sanskrit, Urdu and Punjabi will be in their respective subject language test. Duration of exam 3 hours. Total marks 150. Subject with syllabus. Medium of examination will be as under only English language, biology, chemistry, home science, mathematics and physics. Interview Viva Voice. Interview Viva Voice. Weightage of the interview will be 12.5%. The final merit list will be prepared by adding the marks of the subject, language test and interview viva voice. बात करें पे स्केल सैलरी की, तो पे स्केल ऑफ पे 47,600 से 1,51,100 यूजुअली अलाउंस एज एप्लीकेबल टाइम टू टाइम। एज लिमिट की बात करें, एज लिमिट 14/8/2024 को कैटेगरी वाइज रिलैक्सेशन। शेड्यूल कास्ट ऑफ हरियाणा 5 ईयर, बैकवर्ड क्लासेज ऑफ हरियाणा 5 years, disabled person how covered under the Rights Act 2016, 5 year relaxation plus 5 year if। बात करें एप्लीकेशन फीस की, तक द कैटेगरी फीस एप्लीकेशन फीस अवेलेबल थ्रू नेट बैंकिंग, डेबिट कार्ड, क्रेडिट कार्ड 5 PM ऑफ क्लोजिंग डेट। फॉर द मेल कैंडिडेट जनरल कैटेगरी इंक्लूडिंग dependent son of ex-serviceman of Haryana, for male candidate of OBC belonging creamy layer, for male candidate all category 1000, for all female candidate general category including female department of Haryana only 250 रुपये। SC ST BC BA इकोनॉमिकली वीकर सेक्शन 250 रुपये। पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी कैटेगरी कैंडिडेट ऑफ हरियाणा ओनली नील। बात करें डॉक्यूमेंट टू बी अपलोडेड विद एप्लीकेशन, साइन फोटो डेली साइंड बाय द कैंडिडेट, scanned signature of candidate, scanned copies of degree and mark sheet of education qualification, scanned copy of PSC certificate of Haryana, EWS certificate scanned, BC OBC certificate।